Hello and welcome back to Complete HTML course. In this lesson we are going to learn about head elements. So let's get started. Create a new file and save it as a head element.html. And we will write here the HTML code. So we have doc type, HTML tag, head tag and body tag. Now we'll set the title here head elements. And I'll create the h1 tag HTML head elements. Save the file, right click and open the live server. We will see here the live preview. Let's go ahead. This is the head element and all content between head tag contains the information of web page. The head element is like a header of the web page. It contains the information about the web page, like the title of the page, script tag to include some JavaScript files, some links of style sheets and so on. And you can see we have set the title of this web page, head elements. Another commonly used tag inside the head tag is meta tag. The meta tag provides additional information about the web page, like name of the author, keywords for the web page, character set and so on. Let's go ahead and create a meta tag for character set and we'll set this to UTF-8. This tells us about the character set that is used for this web page. If you want to learn about the meta tag, then go through the meta tag lesson. Let's go ahead. Another important tag used inside the head element is style tag. So let me go ahead and first create the h1 tag and write the content here head tag. And here we will use style attribute and change the color of this text. You can add a style attribute to this opening h1 tag and we can set this style value to color red. Save the file and you can see this text is red now. Another way of doing this by creating a style element inside the head tag. We can write style tag and inside this opening and closing style tag we can write h2. Now we can set the color to green. Save the file and we get this text in green color. So this is called the embedded styling. We'll learn more about style and CSS in coming tutorials. Another important tag used inside the head tag is link tag. It's commonly used to include external style sheets. Now, we are going to create a new file and save the file style.css inside our existing folder. You can give any name and save any location. It depends on you. Now, we'll use the link tag here inside the head tag. Write the attribute rel and set to style sheet. And we'll set the href attribute to the path style.css file. Now we'll create h3 tag and write this is the link tag. Now we want to change the color of this text. So we'll open this style.css file and define a style here like h3 curly bracket color to blue. Save the file and see the output. You can see text is now in blue color. This is the use of link tag. Another important tag inside the head tag is script tag. So let's create the script tag inside the head tag. It is commonly used to include external JavaScript files. We'll see how to include JavaScript files inside the script tag in coming lessons. This is the use of head tag. And you can write the additional information of web page. This is all about the head element. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.